Are you ready to uncover the secrets behind Bitcoin's breakout in 2025? In this video, we'll dive into the most critical factors driving Bitcoin's price action and reveal the hidden patterns that will give you an edge in the market. From technical analysis to market sentiment, we'll cover it all. Get ready to take your Bitcoin trading to the next level and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this video is packed with insights and strategies that will help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and discover the Bitcoin breakout secrets that will change your trading game forever. Join me as I dive into the secrets of Bitcoin breakout strategies and see if I can predict the market trends for 2025. Bitcoin's volatility has long been a defining characteristic of the cryptocurrency, making it both an exciting and challenging asset for investors. Its value can experience significant fluctuations within hours, driven by factors such as market sentiment, regulatory developments, macroeconomic trends, and technological advancements. While this volatility creates opportunities for substantial gains, it also exposes investors to considerable risks. One of the primary challenges investors face when predicting Bitcoin's movements is the lack of a centralized authority or traditional valuation metrics. Unlike stocks, which are often influenced by company performance or economic indicators, Bitcoin operates in a decentralized ecosystem where its price is largely dictated by supply and demand dynamics, market psychology, and external events. The cryptocurrency market is also highly susceptible to news and social media influence. A single tweet from a prominent figure or announcement of a regulatory crackdown can trigger sharp price swings. This unpredictability makes it difficult for investors to rely on conventional forecasting methods. Additionally, Bitcoin's global nature adds another layer of complexity. Events in one region, such as changes in mining regulations in China or institutional adoption in the United States, can ripple across markets, amplifying its volatility. For investors, managing this volatility requires a careful balance of risk tolerance, diversified strategies, and staying informed about both macroeconomic factors and developments in the blockchain space. While the potential for high returns is undeniable, navigating Bitcoin's erratic movements demands discipline, adaptability, and a deep understanding of the cryptocurrency market. The most significant secret behind Bitcoin's breakout potential in 2025 lies in its evolving role as a bridge between traditional finance and decentralized innovation. Institutional adoption, combined with the increasing integration of blockchain technology into mainstream financial systems, is fundamentally reshaping how Bitcoin is perceived, not just as a speculative asset, but as a legitimate store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainty. This shift is being driven by a convergence of factors. Major financial institutions are not only investing in Bitcoin but also creating infrastructure to facilitate its use, such as Bitcoin ETFs, custodial services, and blockchain-based payment solutions. These developments enhance accessibility and trust, drawing in a wave of new investors who were previously hesitant to engage with cryptocurrencies. For investors, the insight is clear: Bitcoin is no longer a fringe asset. Its breakout potential is tied to its transition into a hybrid of digital gold and a cornerstone of financial innovation. Viewing Bitcoin through this lens changes the investment strategy from short-term speculation to long-term positioning. By understanding this transformation, investors can shift their focus toward accumulating Bitcoin during market corrections, diversifying their portfolios with complementary crypto assets, and staying updated on institutional moves that signal broader adoption. This perspective not only reduces risk but also ensures that they are well positioned to benefit from Bitcoin's growth as it bridges the gap between traditional and decentralized finance. In 2025, Bitcoin is at the forefront of a transformative financial era, with its market movements capturing the attention of investors worldwide. The term Bitcoin breakout secrets refers to the key factors and underlying dynamics that drive significant shifts in Bitcoin's value and market performance. These secrets encompass a range of elements, including institutional adoption, technological advancements, regulatory clarity, market sentiment, and supply-demand economics. Understanding these secrets is crucial for investors because they hold the potential to unlock substantial opportunities for wealth creation. With Bitcoin's price volatility and rapid adoption, knowing what influences its breakout moments can help investors make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and position themselves strategically in the cryptocurrency market. Using technical analysis to identify potential Bitcoin breakouts involves studying historical price data, chart patterns, and market indicators to anticipate future movements. Here's a step-by-step guide to leveraging technical analysis for Bitcoin breakout detection. Familiarize yourself with patterns that signal a breakout. Ascending triangle indicates potential upward breakout due to higher lows converging against a resistance line. Descending triangle suggests potential downward breakout with lower highs pressing against a support line. Symmetrical triangle shows price consolidation, often followed by a breakout in either direction. Flags and pennants short-term continuation patterns that suggest a breakout in the direction of the preceding trend. Support levels act as a floor where Bitcoin's price tends to stop falling, while resistance levels are ceilings where the price often stops rising. Breakouts occur when the price decisively moves beyond these levels. Moving averages, MA, look for crossovers, e.g., the 50-day MA crossing above the 200-day MA, or price moving significantly above, below these lines. Relative Strength Index, RSI, helps identify overbought, above 70, or oversold, below 30, conditions, which can signal breakout potential. Bollinger Bands tight bands indicate reduced volatility and often precede a breakout. Watch for the price breaking out of the upper or lower band. Volume analysis. A breakout accompanied by high trading volume confirms strength and increases reliability. Use Fibonacci retracement and extension tools to determine potential breakout points, especially during corrections or bullish rallies. Look for reversal or continuation candlestick formations, such as bullish engulfing, hammer, or doji patterns, to identify breakout moments. Draw trend lines connecting recent highs and lows. A breakout occurs when the price breaks and sustains movement beyond these lines. Check indicators like RSI or MACD for divergence, when the price moves in one direction, but the indicator moves in another, which can signal a breakout reversal. Set stop-loss orders. Protect yourself against false breakouts by setting a stop-loss below support, for upward breakouts, or above resistance, for downward breakouts. Use confirmation. Wait for the price to close beyond a key level rather than reacting to intraday movements. By combining these tools and strategies, you can systematically analyze Bitcoin's price movements and increase your chances of identifying breakouts with confidence. In 2025, as Bitcoin continues to evolve and gain legitimacy, uncovering the forces behind its breakout potential is not just advantageous, it's essential for those looking to stay ahead in the ever-changing landscape of digital finance. The world of Bitcoin is buzzing with excitement as 2025 marks a pivotal year for this digital currency. Investors are witnessing unprecedented market movements that signal a potential breakout, and understanding the secrets behind these trends is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their returns. One of the key drivers of Bitcoin's performance this year is institutional adoption. Major financial institutions are integrating Bitcoin into their portfolios, creating a wave of trust and legitimacy in the cryptocurrency space. This trend is further amplified by technological advancements that are making Bitcoin more accessible and scalable for everyday users and businesses alike. Market sentiment plays a significant role in shaping Bitcoin's trajectory. With increasing awareness of blockchain technology and its potential to revolutionize industries, the public perception of Bitcoin has shifted from skepticism to optimism. Social media platforms and influences are fueling this momentum, making Bitcoin a household name. Regulatory clarity has emerged as a game-changer in 2025. Governments worldwide are introducing frameworks that support the growth of cryptocurrencies while protecting investors. This balance has encouraged both seasoned and new players to enter the market, pushing Bitcoin's value to new heights. The Bitcoin halving event continues to impact supply and demand dynamics. Reduced mining rewards have created a scarcity effect, leading to heightened demand among investors who view Bitcoin as digital gold. Coupled with increasing adoption, this scarcity is a critical factor driving Bitcoin's breakout potential. Strategic investment strategies are essential for capitalizing on Bitcoin's growth. Smart investors are diversifying their portfolios, using advanced tools to analyze market trends, and staying informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space. The secrets behind Bitcoin's breakout in 2025 are a combination of institutional trust, technological progress, positive market sentiment, regulatory clarity, supply constraints, and informed investment strategies. As the cryptocurrency continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve will be the key to unlocking its full potential. What do you think about Bitcoin's future in 2025 and beyond? Will it continue to rise as a financial game changer, or do you see other trends shaping its journey? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and online finance, don't forget to check out our other videos. You'll find valuable insights, strategies, and updates that can help you stay ahead in this ever-evolving space. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest trends and opportunities. Let's navigate the future of digital finance together.